Are you ready to explore how understanding boundaries and cultural norms is essential for effective nonverbal communication? This lesson outlines key aspects of respecting personal space and appreciating cultural diversity in our interactions. Discover how these elements drive successful communication. Personal space is the invisible boundary that surrounds every individual. It helps us feel comfortable and secure. The amount of space people need can vary based on their personality, relationship, and the situation. Recognizing this space is crucial for maintaining comfort. It ensures trust and respect in interactions. Respecting personal space is crucial because it shows respect and builds trust. Invading someone's space can make them feel uncomfortable or anxious, which can harm your communication. Maintaining appropriate space fosters positive interactions. It prevents discomfort and anxiety. This is essential for effective communication. There are four main zones of personal space: intimate, personal, social, and public. Each zone is appropriate for different types of relationships and situations. Understanding these zones helps in navigating social interactions. It ensures that personal boundaries are respected. This knowledge aids in fostering respectful communication. Pay attention to body language. If someone steps back or turns away, they may need more space. Respect these signals to maintain positive interactions. Recognizing these cues is vital for respecting personal space. It prevents misunderstandings and promotes trust. Cultural differences include the beliefs, values, and customs that shape how people communicate. These differences can greatly affect expectations around personal space. Understanding cultural norms is crucial for effective communication. It helps in appreciating diversity. This awareness prevents cultural misunderstandings. Cultural norms dictate these preferences. In some cultures, close physical contact is normal, while in others, people prefer more distance. It's important to remember that there's no universal rule for personal space. Being aware of these differences is crucial. It aids in fostering respectful interactions. For example, people from Latin American or Middle Eastern cultures may stand closer during conversations, while those from North America or Northern Europe usually prefer more space. In some Asian cultures, physical touch is often avoided. These differences highlight the diversity in personal space preferences. Understanding them is crucial for effective communication. It helps in respecting cultural norms. When interacting with people from different cultures, observe their customs and adapt as needed. If you're unsure, it's okay to ask politely. Always approach with respect and openness. This adaptability fosters positive interactions. It ensures respectful communication across cultures. Nonverbal cues like facial expressions, body orientation, and gestures can tell you if someone is comfortable with your proximity. Watch for these signals and adjust your behavior accordingly. Recognizing these cues is vital for maintaining respectful interactions. It helps in understanding personal space needs. This awareness enhances communication effectiveness. Avoid standing too close or too far from others. Don't ignore signs of discomfort and never assume that your personal space preferences are the same as everyone else's. These mistakes can lead to misunderstandings. Being aware of them is crucial. It ensures respectful and effective communication. If you need more space, use gentle body language, such as stepping back. You can also politely express your needs, for example, by saying, "I'm more comfortable with a little more space." This approach helps in maintaining personal comfort. It ensures respect for personal boundaries. Communicating needs politely fosters positive interactions. Respecting boundaries at work is crucial for effective communication. Even in virtual meetings, respecting personal space matters. Respecting digital boundaries is just as important as physical ones. It ensures smooth communication. This awareness is crucial for effective virtual interactions. Cross-cultural skills to communicate effectively across cultures. Take time to learn about others' customs. Learn about customs to enhance communication effectiveness and respect. Stay curious and open-minded. and avoid making assumptions or using stereotypes. This awareness fosters respectful interactions. It enhances communication effectiveness. Building cross-cultural awareness is crucial for successful communication. Respecting personal space and cultural differences helps build trust, prevents misunderstandings, and makes your communication more effective. These benefits are crucial for successful interactions. They foster positive relationships. Understanding and respect are key. This awareness enhances communication effectiveness. Ask yourself, do I pay attention to others' comfort levels? Am I open to learning about different cultures? Do I adjust my behavior when needed? These questions help in self-awareness. They ensure respectful communication. Imagine meeting someone from a different culture. Notice how close they stand and how they react to your proximity. Adjust your approach to make them comfortable. This practice enhances cultural awareness. It ensures respectful interactions. Remember, personal space needs are different for everyone, and culture plays a big role. Always respect and adapt to others' preferences for successful communication. These takeaways are crucial for effective interactions. They ensure respectful communication. Understanding and adaptation are key. Through understanding personal space and cultural differences, you now know how to create respectful and effective communication. Awareness and adaptation are key to success. Apply these insights for better interactions.